Okay, hi everybody. It's Lisa from Joyfully Art, and first off I wanted to show you this painting that I did in my last video. I didn't like the way that it came out. It had a whole lot of white. I used white, blue, and black, and it had, all this was mostly white. So after I was looking at it, after my video, I decided that it needed some more color. So I mixed up some more silver, or blue, black, and white, and did this area here. So that's different. Okay, put that over there, get out of the way. Today I'm going to do a beach scene, and they're not my forte. I've tried one 2 or 3 times before and always ended up painting over it because I didn't like it. So we'll give it a try today and see what happens. Might be a total flop, or maybe this time I'll get it right. You never know. So, got all my colors over here and my white. So I'm going to lay down just a thin base coat to begin with. Whoops, something on the canvas. Don't want that there. Put it up there. There we go. Just so the paint will flow a little bit better, maybe. Get this out. I saw someone else using a spatula, and it looked like it was doing a very good job, and I wasn't going to spend a whole lot on one to begin with until I found out if I liked it, and I really do like it. So I'm going to get me a better one. I think I got this at Walmart for $1. I'd like to have a different one that has better edges on it for spreading. Sure everything's covered. Okay. We can worry about the sides afterwards. Just wanted to get a basic coat down here. Not too much. I don't want it too thick. Okay. All right, let's put that right there. I've got several different colors of blues, which actually I mixed a lot of different blues to get the colors right that I really wanted. So there's different kinds of paints in here. I'm not sure what it's going to look like, but we're going to give it a try. Different colors because the water isn't all one color when it comes in. Put it down further, I think. And I have this aqua that I mixed with some turquoise and some kind of green. That might be all right. Let's see what I want to use. Okay, let's try this. And I didn't put any silicone in here. It is just paint and Floetrol. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to mix my paints 3 to 1. 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and then water to consistency if I need to. Okay, that's not too bad. Looks like wavies. Oops. I don't know, I'm not a very good swiper. I cannot make it stay. I always end up jabbing the canvas. This will be my only video this week. We're leaving again tomorrow to go camping. Got a long weekend. We're gonna go camping again. Okay, and I don't know where I want my beach at. If I want it all the way across or just in the corner. Let's try. I think this is a little dark, but maybe I can put a little bit of glitter in it to make it shimmer like a beach. It has sand and it shimmers. So I'm going to be very careful and start up here. Maybe go down here a little bit with the water or the beach. Let's see. Smaller, I guess these are putty knives, but I got a set of 3 at Walmart. I buy a lot at Walmart, even though I don't like to, but let's get the water line going, and then fill in where we need to. Should we get some edges? You can always fill in your edges afterwards with regular, just paint them on with a brush if you need to, or you can get it from your drippings and do it that way. But always make sure that they're covered. Okay, let's see, that's a little bit dark. Let's try this. Over this way. Go down. I got some water in there, but that's okay because we can fix it if we want. Let's try a little bit more. I don't know. What do you think? Let's see. I want some silver down along the bottom to make it look frothy, like the ocean has frothiness in it. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. Let's give it a try. Go down a little bit more here. I don't know, you think my beach is too big? Let's try going over some of it. My beach is too wide. Can just cover it up. That. That works really well. I'm gonna get my straw. I can find it real quick. There it is. Maybe blow the bottom of it. make it look wavy. That's not bad at all. Maybe you guys are good luck. I think that you are very good luck. I don't know if I need to do anything else or not. Let's see what's on here. I need to get rid of some of this white right here. Take it off. Oops, I don't want that running down on my floor. We have hardwood floors, and I've made a mess of these, and this is a spare bedroom we have that I'm using, and I've really made a mess of the floors. They will have to be sanded and revarnished. I'm glad my husband is understanding. I really like this. I've never had one that really did well. I don't want to blow too hard or you'll speckle everything, which I've been known to do. Off of my plastic. It doesn't run onto the floor. I went to put parchment paper down on top of my plastic and forgot. Okay, I think that's good. When it dries, I might embellish the sand a little bit with some seashells. I've seen people do that, or other things. So I think I'm pretty good. Unless I want to try and make some more waves up here. My problem is I don't know when to quit. And I think all artists has that problem when they're doing these kind of swipes. And these kind of paintings. They never know when to quit when it looks nice. And everybody out there is yelling, stop, it's fine, stop. But it doesn't work that way. We have to be happy with it too. All right, I think I am. Everything, the colors and everything will be in the description below. And I really need some new subscribers, so please share with everybody. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe and hit the little bell, and it'll tell you whenever I have a new video coming up. And I'm going to be in some upcoming shows, so in September. So I'll be letting you know about those also. This is Lisa from Joyfully Art. Have a great weekend.